Hi guys, let's talk about ways to elevate your home, one of which is greenery. We love to use greenery when we decorate.
It adds so much. It makes your house feel alive. If you like a real plant, we love that. There are some good hardy plants that are pretty easy to maintain. Fiddle-leaf figs, snake plants, and Z plants are easier to keep alive. They're a little more hardy, but there's also some really great faux plants out there.
We love to decorate with stems. If you have a space in your home that can handle the height, it just adds so much more volume, it just adds drama, more interest. If you don't have that, we would opt for maybe like an air plant. It just kind of adds a cozy little green touch into any small space. Another way is we love these small plants. These are great to add onto books in smaller areas. Avoid these when like decorating in a big scale spot.
And then again, if you don't have the space for it, a draping plant is nice. That way you're not hitting the top of your ceiling or the bookshelf with stems. And then also we love filler. There's a lot of really cool filler out there that's a little more interesting than the normal moss balls. These are artichokes, but it just adds more green. The more green, the better. And then of course, trees. There are some beautiful fake trees out there. This is a yucca tree, a fiddle-leaf fig. Those tend to look better. You don't want anything shiny. You don't want the green to be unnatural looking. So just watch for that and then nobody would even know. And as long as you keep them dusted, then you're good to go. So when in doubt, add a little green.
Absolutely.